Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in tech products. And today, we have a standout that you should definitely check out: the UNIDEN R4 Extreme Long Range Laser Radar Detector. This is the best R3 radar detector available in the market today, offering unmatched performance and precision. The UNIDEN R4 offers industry-leading radar detection capabilities, giving you incredible range and sensitivity. With its ability to detect radar and laser signals at long distances, you're always one step ahead when it comes to speed traps. Whether you're on the highway or a busy city street, the R4 ensures you're protected against speeding tickets like no other. One of the key features of this device is its built-in GPS system, which helps in automatic muting of false alerts. The device remembers specific locations like retail stores that trigger false radar signals, and it will mute those alerts automatically the next time you pass by. This feature is incredibly convenient, making your driving experience smoother and free from constant distractions. The R4 also comes preloaded with red light and speed camera locations. This means you'll always know when you're approaching a potential speed trap or red light camera. And to ensure your device stays up to date, UNIDEN offers free database and firmware updates, keeping you protected as new camera locations are added. The multi-color OLED display on the R4 is another game changer. It's easy to read and offers more useful information at a glance. The clarity and vibrancy of the screen, even under bright sunlight, make it an excellent tool for keeping track of your surroundings while maintaining full situational awareness. You also get voice alerts with this radar detector. These alerts are clear and customizable, allowing you to focus on the road while still receiving critical notifications without distraction. This feature is a must-have for those who prefer hands-free operation, making it safer to keep your eyes on the road at all times. False alerts are a major concern with many radar detectors, but the UNIDEN R4 stands out with its advanced false alert filtering system. It minimizes unnecessary alerts from other vehicle systems, such as blind spot monitoring or collision avoidance. This ensures that you're only alerted to the important signals that matter most. And if you're someone who likes to fine-tune your radar detector settings, the free R-TAC app from UNIDEN is the perfect companion. It allows you to adjust your settings and receive real-time alerts directly to your phone. This added convenience ensures that you stay ahead of any potential threats while driving. All in all, the UNIDEN R4 Extreme Long Range Laser Radar Detector is the best radar detector for anyone serious about staying safe and avoiding speeding tickets. With its high-performance radar detection, GPS memory, customizable voice alerts, and advanced filtering system, it's a must-have device for any driver. Make sure to grab yours today and experience the unmatched protection it offers. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique. We'll see you in the next video.